What's up, Soul Squad? Welcome back to the kitchen. You saw that thumbnail. I am making baked butter garlic chicken and potatoes. It is Valentine's Day. This is going to be a quick, easy. Why are you always making something with a thigh? Or you making something with chicken? Because chicken is cheap. You can make so many different meals out of it. And then a bone-in thigh with that bone, it's like it's fatty and it gives all that good juices and flavor. This is bone-in. You use boneless, skinless, but the bone-in I think is so much better. So welcome to everybody who's been ordering my flour. Thank you. Welcome to new subscribers to my page. We're trying to get to that 300,000. I see y'all. I see y'all. We gonna get there. Let's make some butter garlic baked chicken. I have some chicken thighs right here that I'm going to season with my house seasoning that I got going on right here. You know what I'm talking about? Just gonna sprinkle that up and down. I'm going to flip it. And it's an adjustable recipe, guys. I'm only doing 4 thighs. You know, again, if I got it in my refrigerator, I'm going to figure out how to use it. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to figure out how to use it. You want this to marinate. So, this is going to go in the refrigerator. After you season it, place it in the refrigerator for maybe an hour. In the refrigerator for an hour, wrapped up with some plastic wraps or some plastic wrap, aluminum foil, place it in the refrigerator for an hour. Take it back out, let it sit about 15 minutes so it can get room temperature, then you're going to sear it. So let's put this in the refrigerator for an hour and we'll be right back. Okay guys, we're back. My chicken been marinated for an hour, then I let it sit for like 15 minutes. Now, skin down. It's going in this pan. Skin down. Look at it. See, look how it marinated. All the seasoning got in there. All 4 pieces. Skin down. And I have it like, we're not going to cook it. I have it like on a medium-high heat. We just want to sear each side for 5 minutes. We want to start the cooking process, but we're going to do it in the pan before we place it in the oven on 400 degrees for 45 minutes with the potatoes and onions. Then with the cream sauce. So let this cook. I got about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil in here. You use olive oil, butter, whatever you like. And let this sear for 5 minutes on each side. We're going to let this do its thing. Okay, guys, let's flip our chicken. Remember, look at that. We're flipping the chicken, guys. We want it to be 5 minutes on each side. Look at that. We're not cooking it. And 5 minutes on that side. Look at that. While that's doing what it's doing, let me show you guys this. We're going to move this over from here. Matter of fact, hello potatoes. You're going to take the potatoes. Now, you can use regular potatoes. You can cut them up, take the skin off of them, and you can do that whole pre-cooked, pre-heat thing. But I like those potatoes that come small, already nice and soft. Look at that. Already nice and soft, so I know they're going to cook in the oven with this right here. I don't need that. Like, I got a mixture of gold and red. So these are the potatoes that's in your store. So this is going to be your base that your chicken sit on, people. Yes, it is. So, and this will make a really quick meal, so it will always let you know that your potatoes will get done the same time as chicken get done. And with that being said, I'm going to sit that right there, and that's going to be the base of my chicken. And I'm grabbing the onion. Cut on both sides. Then cut down the middle. Fill the onion on. And as much onion as you like. Remember, your kitchen your way, my kitchen my way. Take this onion to the side. I'm about to cut these onions up. You want to put the thing down here? You can see me cutting the onion. Okay. I'm just trying to get some interaction. So right up on the onion here. So this is my onions, and I'm just going to take a little of this from up there and put my onions in. You want all this in here before the chicken go in. Beautiful. I'll tell you some flavors and aromas. Oh my goodness. How it's smelling good in here, guys. Smelling wonderful. So, you got your onions in here. You already pre-prepped the pan with the potatoes and the onions. We're going to leave this just right here. We're going to get this chicken when the 5 minutes is up, and we're going to be back. Okay, guys, what I want to do to get some flavor to my potatoes and onions, the same dry rub that I use, or dry seasoning that I use for my chicken, I'm also going to put that, place it on my potatoes and onions, and just give them a stir. Just give them a stir. Stir it all up in there. But you want to get that seasoning. Look at that. That looks so good. Now, my chicken is ready. But I'm not turning the stove off yet. Look at that. 5 minutes on each side. You're just going to place it on top of this chicken. You gotta sink down. May gotta move some of these potatoes. This would, if I want that chicken to sit down in there. Look at that. And you know what else I'm gonna do? I'm gonna be right back. We're gonna put the sauce together. But I'm about to switch pans. The potatoes, the stock. I ain't trying to clean no oven. We'll be back. Okay, guys, back. We switch pans. I ain't trying to clean the oven. This fond that's in the bottom of this pan, you want all of that. I dump off the grease, just left a little bit with them drippings. I'm gonna go in with half a stick of this unsalted butter. Just like that. We're making a butter sauce. Butter garlic sauce. About 2 tablespoons of garlic. And you got your stove turned down low because you don't want your garlic to burn whatsoever. Whatsoever. And you know me. I'm going in with some parsley. About 2 tablespoons. But I just like the color. It doesn't have really a taste. It's just making it pretty. And we're going to let that butter melt up with all of that. That's a little piece I don't want. But let that simmer. This is going to be a butter garlic sauce. How much garlic you do is up to you. But I'm doing 2 tablespoons. Half a stick of butter. Some parsley flakes. Now, we're going in with some chicken broth. And this is going to be about a cup of chicken broth. And what we're going to do with this chicken broth, I got stuff everywhere. We cleaned up later. Is I got the stove on a medium heat. We're going to stir it up. And we're going to let it simmer until we lose half of this broth. Until it cooks down. It's going to take a couple of seconds. But we want the flavors of the fun. I might be saying it wrong. The butter, the garlic, all that stuff just to come together. So we're going to let this simmer for like 5 or 6 minutes until it reduces a little in size. Then we're going to add our heavy cream, Parmesan cheese. Oh my God. And spread it all over top of this good chicken. Okay, guys. It done cooked down some. So I'm going in with my heavy cream. A cup of heavy cream. Look at that. Smells good. And then I want to mix it all up together. This is a butter sauce for the chicken, guys. I'm going in with some Parmesan cheese. I'm not even using the whole bag, just a little bit. And I might use the whole bag. Because it what gives you what, 2 cups? Yes. Valentine's Day. Show that man, show your woman that you took the effort to look up a recipe, took the time to make it for them, and it came out and tastes wonderful. You could do like some broccoli on the side with this, a salad on the side with this. Yes, we're gonna let this cheese sauce, this is a butter cheese sauce. We're gonna let this come together, guys. And we're gonna pull it all on top of this chicken and let it just cook for 45 minutes. We'll be back. See, that cheese gotta melt. We'll be back. So guys, look, my buttered garlic sauce has melted. The cheese has melted up in there. We're gonna pull this on here, place it in the oven for 400 for 45 minutes. And we'll be right back. I'll get something to pour. Look at that. I'm not using all the sauce just because I don't have but 4 pieces of chicken. If you have like 6 or 7 pieces of chicken, that's enough sauce for all that chicken. But you want to make sure those potatoes are down in there. They could cook for that 45 minutes. That chicken is down in that sauce. And this is going to cook in the oven, uncovered, for 45 minutes on 400 to finish cooking that chicken and to cook these potatoes, because the potatoes are already halfway done. You know, these are little small soft potatoes, so they got you. This is what you use. We'll be back. 45 minutes on 400 degrees in the oven. So guys, this is my creamy, look how creamy that is. My creamy butter garlic sauce. Now what I did forget to do, and I got so much on my mind, I forgot to add my flour, because you got to make a roux first. And of course I used my flour, but I just went in, you can't waste food, I just went in with 2 tablespoons of flour and a teaspoon of water and made that what's that thing called, slurry, and put it in here, and look how thick it is. That cheese sauce is good, guys. And look at the potatoes, look how they cut. So they're done, cut right through that. Look, cut right through that. These are the type of potatoes you could use. Like, share, subscribe, guys. This is a great video. Happy Valentine's Day. But you know what I'm going to do, right? You put this over top of some salad, some broccoli on the side. Have your salad on the side. This is creamy butter garlic chicken. You cannot go wrong with this. Show that person you love on Valentine's Day. Make them some of this with some broccoli, with some salad. They're going to love it. Until next time, guys. Oh, don't forget to get your tickets in the description below. And I'm making a video, guys. It's a busy household here. Don't forget to get your tickets for my meet and greet in the description below. Don't forget about Tiana's Hey seasoning. And guys, and don't forget about my flour, SoulfulT, LLC.com.